Hi guys! Welcome to my channel and it's me again, MJ, and for today's video ay tuturo ko po sa inyo kung paano natin fill upan yung ating tax information sa ating Facebook account. So, let's go guys! So ngayon guys, puntahan na natin yung ating Facebook account. Tap lang natin yung Facebook. Pagkatapos ay click natin yung ating profile. Yan dito sa gilid. Tapos next, tap lang natin yung ating see dashboard. Tapos dito naman guys ay kailangan natin scroll up at hanapin natin dito si payout. Payout, yan. Here. Dito si payout. So, tap lang natin si payouts. Ayan. So, dito nakikita nyo naman is may nakalagay na add your tax info to get feed. Yan. So, tap lang natin ulit or i-click natin itong si add info. Next, tap din ulit yung add tax info. Ayan. So, you previously logged into tax with Facebook. Would you like to continue? So, tap lang ulit natin yung ating main account. Continue. So, ayan guys, dito naman ay nakalagay ay get started. Tax info, get started. So, first question is, what is your tax classification? So, syempre, ilagay lang natin dito yung individual. Ayan, individual. So, it's automatic naman ay nakalagay na individual. Pero in case lang na walang nakalagay, so, kung sariling Facebook account nyo, so, tap nyo lang yung individual. Next question is, are you a US citizens? So, kung hindi naman, tap natin itong no. Sa akin is hindi ako US citizen, so, tap ko itong no. No. Then, scroll up. Tapos, dito naman ay sa pangatlong tanong, so are you acting as intermediary agent? So, dito naman guys, kailangan lang natin pindutin itong no. So, after nyo mapindot yung new, tap lang natin itong next. Ayan, so dito naman guys, after natin matap yung next, ay may nakalagay na naman dito na tax information, enter your name and taxpayer identification number. Yan. So, dito naman, lagay lang natin yung full name and then country of citizenship. Siyempre, Philippines yung ilalagay natin dito. Yan. So, Philippines. Next questions ay taxpayer identification number. I have a non-US 10. So, wala tayong 10 number ng US. So, tap lang natin itong 10 ulit. Ayan, yung box na yan. So, I have a non-US 10. Ayan. So, after that, tap ulit natin itong next. Ayan. So, dito may nakalagay na country Philippines. Address line 1. So, maglagay tayo ng complete address natin. Yung address line 2 naman is optional. And then, ano yung pinaka-city sa lugar natin. Then, state. So, optional naman yung state. And then, yung zip code. So, optional din naman yung zip code. Tap nyo ulit itong next. So, ayan naman ay dito nakalagay ay tax information, add your mailing address. So, itong address na ito guys ay dito nila isi-send kung meron silang ipapadala na email or something from Facebook. So, make sure na tama yung complete address nyo. So, same as permanent address. Then, after that, tap nyo ulit itong next. Ayan. So, ayan dito naman guys ay may nakalagay na claim of tax treaty benefits. So, Tap lang natin ito yung country of tax residence. Ayan, palitan natin yung country of residence. Yan. So, ayan guys, after natin mapindot yung country of residence tax, so, ito yung lalabas. Ayan. So, you are eligible for the treaty benefits. So, tap ulit natin itong next. Ayan. So, after natin ma-click yung next, ito yung lalabas guys. Contact us to continue. So, tap ulit natin itong, or lagyan natin ng check itong box. And then, scroll up natin. After that, tap ulit natin itong box. Yan, lagyan natin ng check yung box. Sa side na ito, kailangan nyo lagyan ng full name as your signature. And then, kailangan double check nyo yung date today. And then, after that, tap nyo itong next. Ayan. So, after nyo maklik itong next, guys, yung next kanina, ito yung makikita nyo. Ayan. Ayan. So, tax information, review, and submit. So, make sure lang, guys, na tama yung lahat ng info. So, double check lang natin. Ayan. Meron naman ditong reference ID. Ayan. So, W-8Ben. So, double check lang natin. Yan. So, yung mailing address natin. So, meron naman nakalagay dito na so, kailangan nyo yung full name, country of citizenship, and then simply yung address, zip code, and country. Yan. Scroll up lang natin. So, double check nyo lang yan guys. And then, dito naman sa baba, kailangan nyo ulit maglagay ng signature, so which is yung full name nyo, and then double check nyo yung date,